I'm angry. Let's go turn on the freaking lights.
I'm not angry. I'm sick of all these freaking...
What?
Robbie's not hanging on crap up.
I had the hiccups really bad. Wait, the trees are over here. Fun. Jerk. Leave me alone to die. What?
Look at all this leaves and crap.
We didn't do this. Moment of truth. Our tree. No, I have the hiccups. Oh, they were on. No, they're not. Travis, they're not. They flashed.
Plug it in the bottom outlet. They work better.
Why'd you plug it in the top then, retard?
Shut up. Hold my glasses.
Why? Why are you in socks?
Okay, because I left my shoes inside.
Why?
I felt like it.
Why? They worked. Except desolate piece of crap.
Anyway, yeah. I just gave me a call back. Sorry, I was in practice. Bye. I'm God.
No, you're not. Dude, I love sugar cookies when they're stale. This has been ranDUMBstuffTV.
I don't want to be in this room anymore.